orange, blue, red, green, silver, and gold.
Yippee! Look at that one! Ooh, look at them all go! Oh, it looks so magical!
Ooh, look at the blue one.
This is the best Christmas ever!
Sometimes the elves would get a little bit too excited, and they would magic too many at a time, and oh no, not that one! Oopsie, that might have been too much magic. Oh, Santa's not going to be happy.
Yikes! Remember what happened last time? Ah! We did chaos magic again! Oh, we're gonna be in so much trouble!
Little elves, what have I told you about creating chaos in the sky? It uses up a lot of our magic. You don't want to be on the naughty list now, do you? Well, it now seems that we don't have enough Christmas magic to finish our spectacular. Summoning magic isn't always easy. Friends of Legoland, will you help us? I need you to dig deep and find that magic inside of each and every one of you. Everybody close your eyes. Use your imagination. Think about a favorite Christmas memory which means the world to you. Picture that memory. Make sure it's filled with love. Hold on to it. Now wish for it. And open your eyes. See the Christmas magic all around you. Ho, ho, ho! You did it! We've summoned the Christmas magic!